climate has become more important to me than day-to-day weather forecasting. This is Hurricane's Eye on Climate. Now, the 2025 data is in, and global warming is clearly accelerating. It was debated in 2023, but more accepted after more evidence has come in. The global average temperature is one of the standard measures of climate change, and one of the most respected sources on this is Berkeley Earth. That's because they were originally funded by climate deniers to prove that the global warming consensus was wrong, and they couldn't. So the funding changed, but their work continues. The temperature graphic shows the significant warming from the 1970s to now, and not disputed among climate scientists. But has the warming trend been accelerating in recent years? The first graphic is the standard type. The second one shows the dramatic change in global temperatures since 2015. The 11 warmest years on record have all occurred in the past 11 years. The odds that this is a coincidence are astronomical. You'll also notice just how much warmer the past 3 years have been. Even with La Nina, with cooler water in the tropical Pacific that leads to temporary global cooling, 2025 still is easily in the top 3. How much has the warming accelerated? Well, that can be measured as well. The Washington Post recently made some great graphics to show this. The warming between 1970 and 2020 was 0.19 degrees Celsius per decade, compared to the 1951 to 80 period. But look at the period since 2020. The warming trend increased to 0.25 degrees Celsius per decade. That's more than a 30% increase. And Berkeley Earth clearly shows how extreme the past years have been. That trend since 2020 has been around 0.45 degrees Celsius per decade. That's an 80% increase from 1970 to 2000. If this current brief trend continues, the Earth is going to warm to the 2 degrees Celsius level above industrial times before 2050, and above 4.5 degrees Celsius by 2100. Warming of that amount would be catastrophic. And that is Hurricane's Eye on Climate.